Who is looking for a 3-car garage home originally built by Oconee Capital in the highly sought after neighborhood of Whispering Pines? This home is the Pasadena floor plan. It is obviously 3-car garage, and it's 5 beds, 4 baths, situated on a premium home site. I know so many buyers that have been asking me for a 3-car garage home, especially in the neighborhood of Whispering Pines. Well, here you go. This is live in the MLS. Today is Friday, October the 15th. I want to mention on the outside right here that Veterans Power Washing came and did a great job. We had them power wash the entire exterior of the home, as well as all of the windows. We had a landscaping crew come out and get the yard ready to go for listing. So many things have been done on this home to make the sale very, very easy and expedite a closing for our sellers. 1838 Preservation Circle, Phase 3 of Whispering Pines, only 2 years young, along with the fence that you just got a sneak peek of. There's a number of other items in this home that are normally upgrades when you build it from ground up that are already included. Let's go inside and take a look.
I know I said I was about to go inside, but I want to do a quick scan up of the front porch. So this is white. So you can obviously tell it's October. So it's been through spring and all the pollen. It's been through summer and the heat and the bugs. And you can see how pristine this looks. So again, Veterans Power Washing did the power washing. So here's just an example of the front porch and how well of a job they did.
Welcome to 1838 Preservation Circle in Phase 3 of Whispering Pines. This home was originally built by Oconee Capital. And it's only 2 years young, and there's tons of features already included in this home that you don't have to worry about adding in and bearing that expense out of pocket. And I'm gonna name a few of those as we go through. First and foremost, check out this kitchen. Gorgeous, gorgeous, white. Who doesn't love a white cabinet and a gray island pop? I wanna give you a couple different views here. Nice pendant lightings, recessed cans, eat and breakfast room. I will tell you that the refrigerator over here is not remaining, so check out the seller's disclosure. All other appliances are staying. There are 2 ovens. You have an oven right here and an oven right here. Even though they're not stacked, you still have 2. This vent hood does vent to the exterior. That's a standard feature when originally built. Gorgeous herringbone backsplash, love it. White quartz countertops, overextended pools. Let me give you kind of view up here. And as you can see with a little sneak peek of that backyard, it's already fully fenced for you. That is great. Peeking over here to the family room. So open concept floor plan, we just walked through the foyer. Dining room was located on the left-hand side, walked into the kitchen, multiple fireplaces inside with stacked stone accent. This one is located downstairs in the family room. There's another electrical fireplace in the owner's suite. As you can see, I'm going over here to the mud bench. That's the garage. This is a multi-purpose room as well. This can be a mother-in-law suite down, a guest bedroom, whatever have you, an office. There is direct access to a full bathroom. Look at that gorgeous floor. White cabinets continue from the kitchen into this bathroom here, along with the gorgeous countertop. Lysol must. Am I right or am I right? Frame mirror. Hello, everybody. All right, let's turn over here. So bedroom down, the other 4 bedrooms are located upstairs. I will tell you that in addition to the fence I just mentioned, you have 2-inch forward blinds on all windows. It's in the morning, so I know the sun's coming through. In great condition. You'll notice a number of little paint mishaps. They did have 3 kiddos living here. So you'll notice if you call me or in my MLS listing that the seller is graciously allowing a $5,000 paint allowance with a full price offer. So that is wonderful. This goes into the garage and we'll head on upstairs. Take a look at that in a minute. All right, I just walked up the stairs. As you can see, it's an upgrade. It's hardwood treads as a open handrail with these gorgeous spindles. So normally most builders charge you for that. That's already included. Up on the landing in the first room on the left-hand side is going to be guest bedroom number 1 up. Notice the vault in the bedroom. You're going to see that a lot in all of the guest bedrooms. Ceiling fan. As you can see through these purple striped window treatments, there's 2-inch forward blinds already installed. This bedroom has its own bathroom. So whoever is your favorite or whatever you want to do up here, this is the bathroom where you have a full ensuite included. Shower tub combo. We continue with the white cabinetry, elongated pools like you saw downstairs in the kitchen, a gorgeous countertop as well, a frame mirror, perfect natural light. All right, nice and clean. And as I'm continuing to do these videos, please note that there is paint. I'm gonna say that a couple different times in the videos because it was well loved when the kiddos were here, but the seller is giving a $5,000 painting allowance, and that will help. Let's head on into the other spaces off this landing. Guest bedroom number 2 with the vault. This one does not have a ceiling fan in the bedroom. So maybe if you have a kiddo or a family member that has allergies, that might be a good place for you. Here's the guest bathroom upstairs. This is right off of the staircase and right next to guest bedroom 1 and 2. Plenty of space for multiple people to be using this bathroom at the same time. You have drawers in the middle as well for storage. And while somebody is utilizing this space, you can then shut this and you can shower over here in the tub shower combo or vice versa. So again, guest bathroom number 1 right off the staircase between guest bedroom number 1 and guest bedroom number 2. We just showed you guest bedroom number 1, 2, and that bathroom. I want to hit on this space really quick. It's a very open area that you can utilize as a game space. Please disregard the paint on the wall. It was well loved. Again, a $5,000 paint allowance will be given to you graciously from the seller. A view back from the space to the staircase, and we're going to head on into the last guest bedroom. This is the owner suite, which I'll show you in a minute, and that awesome under bathroom, which is probably one of my favorite features besides the kitchen in this home. Guest bedroom number 3, this has a vaulted ceiling as well. There is no ceiling fan. So 2 bedrooms up do have ceiling fans, 2 do not. This was utilized as a office area. So again, multi-purpose. Everywhere you look, there is going to be some kind of storage. I want to go on over here, and there's also attic scuttle storage upstairs. Let's head to the laundry. All right, we just walked up the stairs and we went through a couple of the guest room spaces, but I do want to note the owner suite. I know the light's coming in right there. It's a little bit of a glare. I'm going to go to the other side of the room. Check out this space. A true vault with a ceiling fan already there. Let me go here so you guys can get a really good visual of the paint color. I know it's hard when I'm facing those blinds. So hopefully now you can get a really good view. It's a gorgeous gray. Look at that vault. You have double French doors that you walked into. And then another fun feature of this owner bedroom upstairs is an all-electric fireplace with white marble as an accent. I know that you can foresee yourself living in this space. So spacious and wonderful. Let's hit up the bathroom and then finish the upstairs. All right, as promised, the owner bathroom. Who doesn't love whites and grays? I know I do. So look at the shower. Definitely a very, very expensive upgrade. As you can tell, it has gray tile, a gorgeous deco band. Look at that. And then as I scan back down over here, you can see it has a built-in bench as well as a shower floor. I'm gonna show you this floor. Man, I love a hardwood looking tile. Look at this. It's beautiful. Look at that natural light coming off of that oversized garden tub. There are 2 separate vanities, his and her, frame mirrors, and as you can tell through the mirror, a gorgeous oversized garden tub with subway tile. A frosted glass window, so you have complete privacy. The continuing of the gray, the light, the white, the bright, extremely tall ceilings up in here only adds to a very tranquil and calming space. All right, give you one more view from this side of the owner bathroom, and let's head on into the closet. The carpets were all recently steam cleaned by Stanley Steamer. That doesn't mean that they're perfect. You may or may not want to replace them, but they have been professionally cleaned. This is a lived-in home, so just please make sure you note that. All right, let's head to the additional guest rooms. Hands down, one of the best features of this home is the home site that it is situated on in phase 3 of Whispering Pines. Look at this. It's enormous. How hard is it to find a home site like this right now in the low 400s, in a top school district, in Columbia County, in the highly sought after neighborhood of Whispering Pines? So as you can see, the 6-foot Shadowbox privacy fence has already been installed. It is such a large yard, so it's a lot of fence. This is at least a $6,000 to $7,000 expense that you don't have to worry about. And as you can see me getting out of the sun, look at this tree view. This will remain. This is protected. So this is going to be your view. It will stay natural, and it's so calming. And I have to mention, you have wonderful neighbors. Just have to point that out. They are truly wonderful. So I'm going to go back over here, pan down, and give you a view from the back corner all the way to the back of the home. And in addition to a fully fenced in yard, fully sodded, with entire green space behind you that is protected, you also already have a screened in porch ready for you. Any questions at all about this property on Preservation Circle, feel free to give me a call, 706-631-1983. We're allowing showings for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. The seller will review all offers on Monday at 9 a.m. Good luck.